monster in your house, guys. It can just destroy your life. Are you all curious to know who is it? He is very deadly. Now you can say him, she or it. That's everything is okay. But who is it? Curious to know? Let me bring him. Zoom, 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 swaha! Guys, this is the monster. This is the monster. This one. Now what is this? This is simply nothing but sugar. See this. Nothing but sugar. And now you all say, sugar, a monster. Aren't you kidding? No, 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 no. I'm not at all kidding. This sugar is so harmful. If you take it in like more amount, then it can just destroy your life. Now you'll say that we eat fruits every day. So many fruits I eat, but then also nothing happens to me. I stay fit. That is fruit. It doesn't contain so much of sugar, and some sugar is needed for your body every day. But there are some dishes in which there is this much of sugar, this much. I'll show you. Guys, the dishes are the drinks like cold drinks, for example Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Sprite, everything of such kind, and then also cakes. A bad news for us, but yes, that's the truth. So telling like this won't make you agree na that sugar is very harmful. So what I'll do today, I'll show you. Yes, that sugar is harmful. Today what we will do, we will show everyone that sugar is harmful, and if it is consumed in more amount, then it becomes a deadly monster. So let's get started. What you need to do is like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. You can see over here the sugar content in Coca-Cola. It is 39 grams, right? If you type on Google the sugar content in Coca-Cola, you will get this only. This is a screenshot from Google. So guys, what can we do is, we can measure that much content of Coke. Like we can measure that much content of sugar on a weighing scale, and then I'll show you. So let me bring my weighing machine. Guys, ready with the material. I am ready with the material. You can see. Now what I have taken over here, I have taken some water as well. Why is that so? Guys, it was in the label I showed you all. It was written that for every 12 oz of Coca-Cola, there is 39 grams of sugar. But now I don't have Coca-Cola at my home. So I have taken water as a replacement, because liquid, both are liquid. So it will be same. Now what we'll do? Measure the water. Measure the weight of water as well as sugar. So first what I am doing, I have taken a bowl full of water. Yep, and I'll keep that bowl over here and make this 0. And you can see I have made the unit OZ. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add water into this. So I'll gradually, slowly add water into our bowl. Now what is this? How much is this? 6? Yeah, 7 it is. 7.1. How much is this? 10. Some more. So 11. It's 11. Almost 12. Yep. This is what we need. See guys, I'll show you all by a closer look. You can see over here this much, only this much Coke is there, and in it like a good quantity of sugar is there. Now how much sugar, that I'll show you all that as well. So keep watching. Now we'll keep this bowl aside. Bring our container again. Yep, and make this unit change to grams. Okay, so you can see I have changed this to grams. I'll keep the bowl and make this 0. Okay, now it is 0, you can see, and I'll add some sugar into it. Now I'm adding sugar, 39 grams it should be, 24. Now this is 29, 30, okay, 33. is too much. I'll have to remove some sugar. Okay, I'll remove it. Then now it is 50. Now it's 43. Now it's gonna happen, guys. This is 40, and now if I remove a little bit, 38. Oops, what is this? Swaying machine, no? 40. I remove a little bit. Yes, let it be now, guys. 40. I'm not going to remove again some sugar. So guys, approximate you think 1 gram is okay, just okay. Now see at me. For this much, like only so much of sugar is there and only this much of water. Like you will think that this much of water and only this much, but guys, the sugar content which we need in a day is like about this much sugar we need actually. Let's see, this much is maximum actually. You see, this much is the sugar which we should consume daily. That is scientifically proven, but it is not that we have to consume. Oops, man, God. We don't have to consume too much of sugar, okay? So now what we'll do, we will see like how does it happen, like what is bad, like why sugar is bad. Okay, that we will check now. We will perform an experiment by which you all will understand why sugar is unhealthy for everyone, not only for us or from me on you, for everyone in the world. So let's get started. As for demonstrating that the sugar is not good, what I have taken is a bowl of water, that good, but some decreased water and that sugar only. Now you can see the sugar is wet, that's absolutely fine. Now what we have to do, mix both of them. So I'll add the sugar. You see, I have added the sugar into it, and then we have to mix this properly. I have to mix, and after mixing, I'll come to you all. The kitchen now, okay? Why? Because what now we have to do is spray on the flame and spray some this sugar water solution onto it, and watch the results. But guys, how can we make that spray like structure? Where is it? That is fog, and how can we make that as a spray? But we have one thing which is available in everyone's house. That thing is sanitizer. Sanitizer is available in everyone's house, so you can empty the sanitizer down and then put that solution in. But guys, this solution is very sticky. How can we pour it into this properly? It won't be possible. No, why no? It will be possible. Let me show you how. You can see over here that what I have done. Now I have taken a bottle. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll on the flame, and I have taken a knife, and then what I'll do is I'll keep the knife on the flame straight away. Okay, and let it get hot for some time. And as it becomes nice hot, at that time you lower the flame, take the bottle and just put, like, see, now you are able to cut the bottle very nicely. See that we are able to cut the bottle so easily because plastic melts, right? And the knife is very hot. You can see over here, I have cut down the bottle. You can see this part now of the food. Now what you need to do, this part, now you take a balloon and keep it over here. This way. Let me show you that. See this way, and then just pour your solution into this. You see, this way the whole water goes into the balloon. Beautiful, right? So guys, I have filled the spray bottle with our solution, and now you see what happens. Like I on it, full gas, and now if you see when I spray it, there is a lot more happening when it was with water. You see, if I spray from here, the fire is getting more and more stronger. I will show you all that in slow motion. This video was very helpful to me as well as y'all, right? So if you all felt this video very helpful, if you liked the video, if you learned something new from the video, what you need to do is like, share, subscribe the channel. Only this much. So guys, promise me that you all won't eat a lot of sugar from next time. So meet you all in next video.